Hello everyone, welcome to AutoCAD Beginner series. Today we will learn how to trim in AutoCAD. Sometimes a line extends beyond where you need it. You don't have to delete the entire line and draw it again. The trim command allows you to remove only the unwanted portion of an object. In this video, we will learn the simple ways to use trim, and I'll show you why trim doesn't work on every line you click. There are two easy ways to start the trim command. Method 1. First, select all intersecting lines. Then type TR for starting the trim command. Now choose and click which extra part of a line you want to remove. In this case, we want to remove this part. Just click. See, it's gone. It's very easy. Just you have to practice it. The second method is from the AutoCAD ribbon. First, select all the intersecting lines. Go to the Home tab, find the Modify panel, and click Trim. It starts the same command. But personally, I recommend learning the TR shortcut because it is much faster. Now, here's something very important for beginners. Trim does not simply remove any line that you click. There needs to be a suitable cutting edge or boundary. For example, if this line doesn't intersect or have a valid relationship with the cutting edge, clicking it may not trim the way you expect. So, if trim isn't working, first check the relationship between the object you are trying to trim and the cutting edge. For simple practice, start with objects that clearly intersect. Now I'm showing a real drawing example. In the last practice video, the part number 10, I showed you a drawing simple room where I intentionally made a blank space of 3 feet door. But we can also put a door in between walls. Let's use trim in this case. Here, I have a wall and a doorway. The wall continues through the door, so I need to remove this section. I'll start trim. Use the doorway boundary as my cutting edge and click the unwanted portion of the wall. And now we have a clean door opening. This same technique useful for walls, doors, windows, floor plans, and many other AutoCAD drawings. That's it for the trim command. Practice it with a few intersecting lines, and you will quickly get comfortable with it. In the next video, we will learn extend command, which does almost the opposite of trim. Thanks for watching.